How to add trending sounds to your TikTok videos. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and as you're logged into your account, check on your internet connection as well. Make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to cellular data as well. After switching on to your connection, what you can simply do to add trending sounds to your TikTok videos is to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. As you tap on the plus icon, you'll be landed on this page where you can either click a video or a picture. So I'm going to click a 15-second video over here, and as you're done with clicking a video, tap on the check mark at the right side of the screen, and what you can simply do is it will land us to a new page where you can simply tap on add sound. Select on add sound, and here you can simply see all the songs that are recommended and that are trending. So you can add any of the songs, and as you tap on it, you'll be able to add trending song on your TikTok. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.